You and the others in this boarding house are under the impression that Miss March and I have some sort of kinship. We've simply gone places together.
The theater.
Yes, I took her to see Hamlet.
A pathetic tale it is.
Very pathetic. Then I've given her 3 German lessons.
3. That many?
I've taken her to lectures, to the park, to hear speakers, but Miss March hardly seems to know I exist. She is preoccupied. She rushes past me like the wind.
Christopher Columbus! Mrs. Kirk, have you seen the professor?
Behind you, darling.
Ah! Who's Ted?
Guten Tag, Miss March. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day.
I know what it means, but when you taught it to me, you said Guten Tag.
I would never say Ted.
Oh, I'm sure you did.
Well, I'm sure I didn't.
All right, Guten Tag. And it is a very Guten Tag, a wonderful Guten Tag. And I have some amazing news. I came to New York on a dream. I knew it might take me a while, but all I've been hearing since I arrived is leave it right there on the pile. So today I woke up and decided it's time to achieve, time to thrive, time to climb.
Miss March, tell us what happened.
Sometimes when you dream, your dream is just a guess. Sometimes when you work really hard, you don't know if you'll ever find success. So I grabbed a story to sell and got ready to raise hell. Then I marched out the door and headed right for the weekly Volcano press.
Henry Dashwood, he's a man of taste.
Dashwood was a fiend. He sneered at my distress, tossed my story high on the stack, but I was determined I would progress. I said, so I'll whip all you read, but alas, he disagreed. So I jumped on a chair and read it right there at the weekly Volcano press.
You did what?
Keep away from me, you wretch!
I cannot keep away. Your beauty draws me, your passion ignites me.
So it's the one with all the horror in it? The bloodbath?
That's the one. I took to heart what you said. I embellished. I made it